Today, we will embark on drawing this raven from Teen Titans. Let the adventure begin. Remember to share your comments and give it a like. It's free and encourages me to keep creating content for you. Before we say goodbye, let's breathe life into this little creative corner. Drop a comment below on what you thought of the drawing, suggest topics for future videos, and, of course, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the content. Let's move this creative community and make it thrive. Until next time, fellow artists. See you in the next video.